This open letter has been issued for UFBU leaders, retirees organization and retiree and working employees on Nationalization Day. So they have discussed so many pending issues, especially of retirees. So this is very important for all the pensioners. Please watch till end. Today's special discussion on service environment for bank employee and problem of retirees in present scenario. Bank nationalization was a great step for the development of our great nation and whole country welcome it. Bank employees were practically enthusiastic and joyful. Prior to bank nationalization, working condition of bank employee were not good. After 10 p.m., there was any sound in the street and the child asked the mother about it. Mother used to reply, "My dear, don't worry, some bank employee is coming back after completing his daily duty." So आप जस्ट सोच सकते हैं कि क्या माहौल था जो इस तरीके से बताया जा रहा है कि इनका कहना है कि रात में 10 बजे भी यदि आवाज़ होती थी और कोई पूछे बच्चा कि काहे की आवाज़ है तो उनकी मदर कहती थी कि डोंट वरी, कोई बैंक एम्प्लॉय घर वापस जा रहा होगा। तो ये स्टेटस था, 10-10 बजे तक रात में बैठा जाता था। ये बताना चाहते हैं। एम्प्लॉयज कंडीशन इम्प्रूव्ड आफ्टर नेशनलाइजेशन। नाउ अगेन वी आर मूविंग towards privatization and working condition are getting worse day by day. No one, neither government nor working leadership about the pressure our officers in these days. On the same way, no one is listening to the problem of retirees. IBA has clearly said that we have nothing to do with the retirees. UFBU also says that retirees are not our member. Due to the non-unity of various retirees organization, no one listen to retirees genuine problem. तो IBA देखिए क्या कहता है कि वो कुछ नहीं कर सकते। UFBU कहता है कि ये हमारे मेंबर्स नहीं हैं। तो अब जो बाकी रिटायरीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है उनमें आपस में कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं है, तो इस कारण से जो रिटायरीज हैं वो तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा जो है प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उनके इशू सॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहे हैं। इवन इन द कोर्ट नथिंग positive has been achieved and received only date after date. While many important points are shouting loudly in favor of the retirees, still the leaders of UFBU and the government has stuffed cotton in their ears. So first we will discuss about pension updation. Bank Employees Pension Regulation 1993, important point in favor of retirees. A Chapter 11 Regulations 3(4) provision of pension was made for the employees who retired on or after 1st January 1986 and before 1st November 1993, and pension was started from 1986. The retired colleagues were given the benefit by updating the pension according to all the PPS held between 1986 to 1993. This proves that pension can be updated as per the 1993 agreement. B. A small committee was formed in 1994 which decided how the pension should be implemented in the future. Small committee on pension held on 26th March 1994. Important point: formula for updating pension should be updated on the line of the same given in the RBI pension scheme. Any changes therein should be introduced only after mutual agreement. Keeping in mind all the aspect of 1993 pension was offered in all the nationalized bank, due to which we retirees become entitled to pension by giving our consent on the basis of 1993. C. Cheating with retirees. Pension Regulation 1995, a big fraud was done with the retirees when the clause of pension updation was not included in the Pension Regulation 1995, unknowingly or intentionally. The punishment of which the retirees have been suffering for the last 30 years. Whenever there is a request for pension updation in the parliament, the government or the court, the IBA succeed in its attempt in shut the mouth of the government and the court by showing the mirror of Pension Regulation 1995. It is not ready to look back from 1995. Whereas some time back RRB, IDBI, which were not under the purview of Pension Regulation 1995 after the decision of Supreme Court dated 12 August 2024 in RRB's petition Spl. 1798 RRB Welfare Society versus Rajiv Kumar, Secretary Finance GFS, has approved pension in RRB from 1st November 1993 through its letter dated 3rd October 2024 on the basis of the agreement on 29th October 1993. This means that the agreement of 1993 is a lie. If the government want, it can update it everyone's pension by referring to it. Second, pension fund. Rupees 4,27,644 crore is outstanding balance in the pension fund of all bank including SBI till 31st March 2024, and during the year 2023-2024 the fund has increased by about 49,000 crore. Bank can pay more than double the pension to all their pensioners from their pension fund by updating the pension as RBI formula without touching the pension fund corpus of putting any burden on इंडिविजुअल बैंक और द गवर्नमेंट. सो जो पेंशन फंड है गवर्नमेंट का, उसमें भी अपने आप में बहुत सफिशिएंट फंड है जिससे गवर्नमेंट यदि चाहे तो केवल उसी से पेंशन पे कर सकती है, इवन डबल पेंशन तक पे कर सकती है. बट गवर्नमेंट अब ये चाहती ही नहीं है, जिस कारण से पेंशन अपडेशन नहीं हो पा रहा है. थर्ड इज एक्सग्रेशिया एंड एन इम्पॉर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट ऑन द initiative of the government in BPS 2022, financial assistance of 1% of BPS load factor is provided to the retirees in the form of ex gratia. The government realized that the retirees have been fighting for pension updation for the last 28 years. Their pension is low and the matter is in the court. Therefore, in any settlement is reached after 5 years or before that, whichever is earlier, ex gratia will stop at that time. Ex gratia is a temporary arrangement as per 12 bipartite settlement. A total of rupees 12,549 crore has been allocated. Working employee 17%, load on BPS 3%, ex gratia for retirees 1%. So total is 21%. It is not written anywhere in the settlement that ex gratia will be paid from the pension fund of retirees. It is important here that the government has accepted that bank retirees get less pension. Therefore, an attempt has been made to provide some relief by giving ex gratia. सो इस पॉइंट पर ये मेंशन करना चाहते हैं कि एक्स ग्रेशिया जो अनाउंस किया गया, यहाँ पर ये कैलकुलेशन नहीं कर रहे हैं कि कितना मिलेगा या कितना नहीं मिलेगा, बट ये जताना चाहते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं उस टाइम एक्सेप्ट उन्होंने भी किया था कि हाँ पेंशन अपडेशन ठीक से नहीं हो रहा है, पेंशन कम है, इसलिए रिलीफ के तौर पे इन्होंने अनाउंस किया एक्स ग्रेशिया को. यानी प्रॉब्लम है कि पेंशन अपडेशन होना चाहिए वो नहीं हो रही है, इसीलिए उसका सब्सटीट्यूट दिया गया था टेम्प्रेरी, क्योंकि कोर्ट केसेस चल रहे हैं जिनके कारण भी मान लीजिए पेंशन अपडेशन सपोज नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो उसका वो सब्सटीट्यूट था कि एटलीस्ट एक्स ग्रेशिया तो दिया जाए. तो यानी प्रॉब्लम है, पेंशन अपडेशन होना चाहिए. The fourth is the special allowance. In 2015, IBI and UFBU together have tried to big a deep gulf between the working employee and the retirees under a deep scheme after 2012. As the employees retire, they have to bear huge loss on pension. If we see at a glance, total retirees are approximately 5,86,622. 2012 to March 2024, there is a 3,77,236. Then from 2001 to 2012, 1,81,160, and then before 2021 there is only 28,226. So you can see that till now all the retirees were suffering loss due to the non-updating of pension, but after 2012 around 64.3% retirees are suffering double loss, pension plus special allowance. In an important decision of the Supreme Court in 2018, it has been clearly stated that there can not be two type of basic pension in banking, one for working colleagues and other for retirees colleagues for pension calculation. Such rules are illegal, but disregarding the Supreme Court, special allowance has been increased from 7.75% to 31.5% now. which is against the spirit of Supreme Court. Fifth is Mediclaim policy, increasing premium and decreasing facilities. This is the truth of today's Mediclaim policy. In the suicidal agreement of 2015, it was made clear that retirees will have to pay their premium themselves. The bank has no responsibility. The bank will only manage till the year 2014 and 2015. The premium for retirees was also the same as that the employees, but after that every year the premium kept increasing and double the speed. The most surprising thing is that the top-up has always been less than the main premium. Keeping in mind that the demand of retirees to reduce the Mediclaim insurance policy, last year the premium was reduced, but by making the top-up expensive, the total premium remained the same. Insurance companies say that the claim of retirees are very high. Therefore, the premium had to be made expensive, but the truth is something else. Let's take a look to the collusion of UFBU plus IBA plus companies. IBA Mediclaim policy as on 1st June 2025, employees members 5,75,766, workmen employee 2,32,850, officer scales from 1 to 5 3,39,896, and officer scale above 6 and above 2,420. So total number of active live are 21.39 lakhs. Now about retirees. Retirees IBA policy 2,70,060, primary members 1,51,668, and spouse member 1,18,392. You keep in mind 6 persons are included in employees, medical insurance, self, spouse, 2 children and 2 parents. As per IBA report from 5,75,766 employees member, 21,39,000 person become claimants. On the other hand, there are only 2 persons among retirees, and in case of death, only 1 person become a claimant, which is only 2,70,060 in total. The claim of insurance companies and IBA that the premium of retirees has been increased because of their claim ratio is nothing but a bundle of lies. This is also true for retirees that 47% retirees don't make medical claim at all. 32% retirees make only 10 to 20% medical claim. Only 19% retirees make claim as per their ongoing illness. 2% retirees made claim due to sudden accident. One more thing, the company don't even give to claim bonus to the 47% retirees who don't make medical claim. We request all of you, hope and also believe that along with protecting the nationalization and bank, you will make every effort to provide respectable job to the employees and officers and to protect their interests. Retirees are also senior member of your banking family. All the problem of retirees can be solved only with the effort of all of you. With your efforts, if IVA become serious in solving the issue of pension updation by making collective efforts, then this long pending matter can be resolved immediately. For this, it should immediately announce pension updation in all bank as per the RBI formula. With his, the pending appeal in the Honorable Supreme Court will automatically be cancelled and will end. The second option is that IB and UFBU can make a settlement or understanding under Income Tax Act 1947 agreeing to important pension updation in all bank as per RBI formula and later take up the matter in Honorable Supreme Court, and was done in 2010. While deciding mutually on second option for pension between IBA and UFBU, waiting for your sincere, firm and positive approach on pension updation on RBI pattern, special allowance merger in basic to the pensioners in all banks. So, this letter is written by retired bank officer and social workers, and the copy has been sent to AIBA, AIBOC, AIBOA, NCBE, BFE, INBOC and all the organizations related to banking and banking pensioners. सो ओवरऑल कंक्लूजन इज दैट फ्रेंड्स, इसमें ऑलमोस्ट इन्होंने सभी पेंडिंग जो इशू हैं पेंशनर्स के उन सबको इंक्लूड कर लिया है, सभी को ही लेटर भेजा है जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, और काफ़ी डीपली इसमें सभी चीज़ों को डिस्कस किया गया है। अब उसके बाद भी अगर गवर्नमेंट इस पर ध्यान नहीं देती है तो ये पेंशनर्स के साथ काफ़ी बड़ा अन्याय है। अब इस पर आगे क्या रिस्पॉन्स होता है, सभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस मिलकर इस पर क्या स्टेप्स लेती है, आगे एक्शन प्रोग्राम्स क्या होते हैं, उन सभी पर डिपेंड करेगा कि पेंशन अपडेशन कब तक हो पाएगा, कितना टाइम इसमें और लगेगा, और कौन से पेंशनर्स ऐसे होंगे जो एक्चुअली लाइव इन चीज़ों को देख पाएंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, आगे इससे रिलेटेड जो भी अपडेट्स हमें मिलेगा हम आपके साथ शेयर ज़रूर करेंगे। यदि आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा। स्पेशली हमारी ये पेंशनर फैमिली है, पेंशन रिलेटेड सारे अपडेट्स हम यहाँ लेकर आते रहते हैं। यदि आपने हमारे फेसबुक ग्रुप को ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, इंडियन बैंक पेंशनर कम्युनिटी नाम से है, जिसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी, तो उसे भी ज्वाइन ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा। हम पेंशन अपडेशन से रिलेटेड सभी न्यूज़ लेकर आते रहते हैं और एक पूरी कम्युनिटी हम बनाना चाहते हैं ताकि सभी मिलकर फाइट कर सकें पेंशन अपडेशन के लिए। तो अपनी राय कमेंट में ज़रूर दीजिएगा। ऐसे ही और अपडेट्स मैं आपके लिए लेकर आती रहूँगी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।